Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that I believe is incredibly important for anyone looking to improve their English skills: reading books. Now, before we jump into a fantastic story, let's talk about some vocabulary that will not only help you understand the story better, but also enrich your English language skills. So grab a pen and paper, because you might want to jot these down. First up, we have the word adventure. An adventure is an exciting experience, often involving some sort of journey or quest. Next, we have mystery. A mystery is something that is difficult to understand or explain, often involving suspense and intrigue. Then we have character. A character is a person or figure in a story. They can be heroes, villains, or even everyday people. And finally, the word setting. The setting is where and when the story takes place. It can be a bustling city, a quiet village, or even a magical realm. So now that we've got some vocabulary down, let's get into our story. Imagine a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush forests. This town, called Maplewood, is known for its vibrant community and the annual summer festival that everyone looks forward to. But this year, something is different. The festival is in jeopardy because the town's beloved statue of the founder, Old Man Maple, has gone missing. Our main character, a curious and adventurous girl named Lily, can't let this happen. Lily is known for her big heart and her love for stories. She often finds herself lost in the pages of books, imagining herself as the hero of countless adventures. This time, she decides she needs to be the hero of her own story. So, she gathers her friends, Sam and Mia, and they set off on a quest to find Old Man Maple's statue. As they embark on their journey, they explore the beautiful setting of Maplewood. They pass by the sparkling river, where they stop to skip stones and share laughs. Each moment is filled with excitement, and they realize that this adventure is not just about finding the statue, it's about the bond they share as friends. They encounter a few mysteries along the way, like strange footprints leading into the woods and whispers of a mischievous raccoon that might have taken the statue for its own treasure. Now, let's pause for a second. You see, reading stories like this one is not just about entertainment, it's about learning. When you read, you're exposed to new vocabulary and phrases. You begin to understand sentence structures and grammar in a way that feels natural. Each story you read helps to build your language skills, making it easier for you to express yourself in English. Plus, stories can spark your imagination and inspire you to think creatively. Back to our story. As Lily and her friends delve deeper into the woods, they come across an old abandoned cabin. Its wooden walls are covered in vines and the windows are dusty. The friends exchange glances, a mix of fear and excitement swirling in their hearts. They decide to explore the cabin, hoping it might hold clues to the statue's whereabouts. Inside, they find old books and artifacts that tell the history of Maplewood. Each page they turn reveals secrets of the town, its founders, and even the legend of Old Man Maple himself. This discovery is a turning point for Lily and her friends. They realize that understanding their town's history is just as important as finding the statue. They learn about the values of community, friendship, and bravery. This is another benefit of reading. When you immerse yourself in stories, you gain insights into different cultures, histories, and perspectives. You learn empathy and understanding, which are crucial skills in today's world. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow through the trees, Lily finds a dusty old map tucked away in a corner of the cabin. It looks ancient and worn, but it seems to lead to a hidden location in the woods. Excitement bubbles within them as they decide to follow the map. Their hearts race as they navigate through thick trees and overgrown paths, with each step bringing them closer to the truth. Finally, they arrive at a clearing, and there it is, the statue of Old Man Maple, standing tall and proud amidst a circle of wildflowers. But wait! It's surrounded by the mischievous raccoon they heard about earlier. The raccoon, with its shiny eyes and playful demeanor, seems to have claimed the statue as its own treasure. Instead of scaring it away, Lily remembers the lessons from the stories she's read. She approaches the raccoon slowly, speaking softly, and offers it a snack from her backpack. To her surprise, the raccoon takes the snack and, in return, scampers away, leaving the statue behind. Lily, Sam, and Mia cheer in triumph. They've not only found the statue, but also learned valuable lessons about kindness and patience. They return to Maplewood as heroes, and the summer festival goes on as planned, celebrating not just the statue, but the spirit of friendship and community. So, what's the takeaway from this story? Reading books opens up a world of possibilities. It helps you learn new vocabulary, understand different perspectives, and even teaches you valuable life lessons. Whether it's through thrilling adventures, heartwarming tales, or intriguing mysteries, stories have the power to connect us and enrich our lives. If you're looking to improve your English, I encourage you to pick up a book today. Find a story that excites you and let yourself get lost in it. You'll be amazed at how much you learn without even realizing it. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reading.